Welcome to AmbitionBox. In this short guide, we'll show you how to create and save templates using the AmbitionBox Employer Dashboard. To get started, log in using your registered email ID. Enter the OTP sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, go to create your ad from the left menu. Here you'll find multiple ad template categories based on themes like overall rating, company culture, work satisfaction, salary and benefits, work-life balance, and more. Each section includes multiple ready-to-use ad creatives. Simply browse through the available templates and select the one you'd like to customize. Click on the selected template to open the customization window. Here you can update the ad title, secondary line, and choose the CTA that best fits your requirement. You can also preview the creative in real time as you make changes. Once your customization is complete, click on Save Ad. Your ad template will now be saved and ready to use whenever required. Once the ad is saved, you can reach out to us at branding@ambitionbox.com to get the creative published. If you face any issues, please reach out to us via support@ambitionbox.com. Thank you.